So after making video on this channel for almost a year, I figured it's probably time I should show you who's been behind the camera this whole time. Hi guys, I'm Kapil and I'm not gonna lie, coming on the camera like this was terrifying. I've been hiding behind the screen recordings and voiceovers because showing my face like this felt too vulnerable. But if I'm going to do what I'm about to do, I can't hide anymore. And here's what's happening. For the next 12 months, I'm pivoting this entire channel. I'm learning AI security, building security tools, and documenting this entire process right in front of you. No more random tutorials and no more chasing trends. I'm building something real in public every single week. And you are going to actually watch me either succeed or fail spectacularly. But either way, it's going to be very honest. So here's what made me realize that I needed to change. Every single company on this earth is integrating AI into their products. ChatGPT, Claude, custom models, everyone's building AI features. But almost no one is thinking about AI security. Let me show you what I mean. This is called a prompt injection. Watch what happens when I tell an AI to ignore previous instructions. As expected, my ruthless mentor got upset with the script kiddie technique. But just imagine this isn't Gemini or ChatGPT. Imagine this is a bank's customer service chatbot or a company's internal AI assistant that has access to private data. If I can manipulate an AI with just one sentence, just imagine what a malicious actor with a malicious intent can possibly do. That's a multi-billion-dollar problem, and there may be a handful number of people who are specializing in it. My plan is very simple, is to become one. So here's the plan every week for the next year I'm going to do. Learn a new AI security skill, build something real with it, and document the entire process on this channel. Week 1 through 3, I'm learning Python and building a tool called Sentinel, an AI security detector. Week 4 through 6, I'm learning how to actually break AI systems, red teaming, jailbreak techniques, and all of it. Week 7 through 12, I'll be applying that knowledge into action and we'll see where we can reach. Even if I fail, I think I will reach somewhere. Is it possible? We'll find out. Alright, so week 1 I had 3 goals. Learn basic Python, understand what prompt injection really is, and build something that actually works. So here I am with the Sentinel. Well, Sentinel Py for now. It's a Python script that detects prompt injection attacks. And here's how it works. You give it a user input, let's say someone's trying to talk to your company's AI chatbot. Sentinel checks that input against 15 attack different patterns. In our case, these are the patterns that I have listed. Ignore previous instructions, you are now in developer mode, reveal your system prompt, and others as well. As of now, this program is not asking user to type into the chat, but soon we'll have that option. This is just to showcase if the user's message contains malicious intent, it will right away block it and will mark it safe if it is safe. So I have few test cases already mentioned in the code to test and see if our program can actually detect it. Now, is this perfect? Well, absolutely not. I made a typo error over here where I forgot to add commas in my Python list. All my test was failing and I couldn't figure out why. But here's the thing, it actually works. All the code is publicly available on the GitHub. The link is down below in the description. You can see exactly what I built. You can fork it, break it, improve it, and play around it. This is all about learning in public. And here's what I learned this week that surprised me. I'm not a coder, I don't like coding, but Python is actually way easier than I thought. Like I went from never writing a Python code to a security tool in just 3 days and understand the functionality of it. But also, AI security is genuinely terrifying. The more I learned about prompt injection, the more I realized that how vulnerable AI security system right now is. Look, I'm not going to lie to you and I don't know if this is going to work because I work a full-time job. I mostly work out 6 AM in the morning. I'm also enrolled in a mentorship program. And on top of all these, I'm committing myself to learn AI security and posting video every single week. That's like 25 to 30 hours a week on top of everything else. I know it's a lot. But here's why I'm going to do it anyway. Because AI security, it actually matters. It matters to the companies and I'm genuinely excited to learn more about it. So even if this fails, even in the next few months I'm getting few hundred views on my videos, I'll still have learned Python, AI security, red teaming, cloud deployment, skills that would worth at least something in the market, right? So what I'm thinking, there is no losing scenario here, only degrees of winning. So next week, in week 2, I'm actually deploying this onto the cloud. I am turning this Python script into an actual API that anyone can use. I'll be very honest, I have never touched the cloud before. I have never deployed anything onto the cloud. So I think this is going to be interesting. If you want to follow along, all the code is linked below. And if you have any question about prompt injection or anything that I built this week, please drop them in the comment below and I will be answering every single one of them. If you are interested about cybersecurity, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will help me a lot. I will try to improve in every single video, and week 2 starts on Monday. Let's see if we can deploy this without breaking the internet. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure, and take care.